If you want to connect your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to your computer in order to transfer data, then the best way to do so is by simply using a USB cable. You can, in theory, use the Link to Windows or the Phone Link app on your computer if you have Windows, but in my experience, they are quite inconvenient to use and to transfer data, and most of the time, you can only just transfer photos and videos, but not other files. So if you connect your phone with the USB cable to your computer, then you should be able to go to notifications, and over here we have USB for charging phone. You want to tap on this notification to open USB settings, and you want to choose transferring files / Android Auto, and if needed, of course, verify yourself with biometrics or screen lock password. Then you can go to your computer and you should be able to find your S26 Ultra, so you can access the storage on your phone, and then you can go through all of these folders in order to try to find whatever you want to transfer from your phone to your computer, or the other way around, whether it is photos, videos, audio files, documents, anything. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.